When paint peels on wood, one needs to find the fault that is causing the surface to peel. There are some common causes such as bad priming and undercoating, or the wood gets wet and fungal growth forms under the top coat. Whatever the cause, it's important to fix the problem and get down to a sound surface. When dealing with peeling paint on wood, begin the repair by scraping away the peeling paint and have a look at the surface. In cases where the wood is sound but may not have been primed or undercoated correctly, give it a basic sanding to smooth the surface and repaint the surface. Feather the edges of the remaining paint so that the repair won't be noticeable. You'll now have a sound surface on which to apply the finishing paint coats. If there's a fungal growth visible when you scrape off the peeling paint, use a solution of 2 parts of Jik to 1 part of water to clean the surface and to kill off the fungus. Fill any holes with Mend-All 90 to renovate outside wood and wood filler for interior wood. Once it has set, sand the filler using 100 grit sandpaper to shape it and 220 grit paper to finish. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for setting time, but don't let the filler get too hard before you start sanding. Once you have a sound surface to work on, the painting can be done. Begin the finishing with a coat of wood primer. Spot prime the areas of bare wood only. It's not necessary to prime the entire piece. When the primer is dry, give the area a very light sanding to remove any roughness and remove all the dust. Follow with an undercoat, once again just over the area that is being repaired. Once the undercoat is dry, sand the entire piece lightly and finish with 2 top coats. Check out our movie on painting a house exterior for a look at painting outside walls. The top coats should cover the entire piece, or a difference in sheen or texture may be noticeable. So have a chat to your Plascon dealer or give the experts a call on the number on the screen.